first question, everyone. First question, which is which is the longest key on the keyboard? Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Which key is the longest key on the keyboard? So longest key on the keyboard is space bar key. Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Which is the
space bar key.
in the longest key on the keyboard? So space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. So next.
Good morning, sir. आ सकता है
अब नहीं उठेगा।
सर अल्फाबेट की सर कैप्स लॉक की सर कैप्स लॉक की गुड मॉर्निंग सर
Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, your voice is not coming.
सर कैप्स लॉक की
Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir,
Which key is used to
enter
move
key,
the
enter key.
which key is used to move the
Enter
cursor
key.
to the
Enter key.
next line? To the next line. Which key is used to move the cursor to the next line? Enter key is used to enter
की
enter key is used
Sir, enter key. Enter key.
enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Anyone have any doubt in any question? Next question, name the keys. Everyone concentrate on this question. Name the key which appears twice in the keyboard. Which appears twice in the keyboard. Name the key which appears twice in the keyboard. Name the key which appears.
शिफ्ट कंट्रोल अल्ट
Yes. So अब देखिए, try to understand here everyone. Everyone concentrate here. The question is name the key which appears twice in the keyboard. आपको आंसर जो है अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑप्शन देना है, ठीक है ना. ऑप्शन जो रहेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ऑप्शन यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर. अगर ये एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन नहीं रहेगा, if it is not a MCQ question, then the answer you can write as shift. Shift is also correct, right? Alt is also correct, control is also correct. अगर MCQ क्वेश्चन नहीं रहेगा तो ये तीनों का तीनों आंसर सही है, ठीक है ना. अगर MCQ क्वेश्चन रहे and the options will be like this. See here, first one is shift, second one is tab, third one is, concentrate here everyone, home key, fourth one is D, enter, fourth is enter key. So in that case the answer will be, which is the right answer? If these are the options, then the answer will be shift.
शिफ्ट की
In that case the answer will be shift key. समझ में आ रहा है? And if the in the option itself,
Yes, sir.
if in the option
what
itself,
is the function of ALT key
wait, first, if the option itself is not shift, suppose the option is alt is the option. ठीक है ना, alt, option is alt, there is no option of shift, in that case the answer will be alt. ठीक है, suppose in the option itself alt is not there, in the option itself CTRL is there, control key is there, right, control key is there, in that case the answer will be control CTRL. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes everyone, anyone have any doubt in this question? So based on the question,
No doubt, sir.
based on based on the option you have to write the answer, based on the option you have to, based on the option you have to select the answer, based on the option you have to select the correct answer. जो ऑप्शन दिया रहेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ऑप्शन यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सी हियर, व्हिच इज नॉट अ फंक्शन की. क्वेश्चन इज व्हिच इज नॉट अ फंक्शन की. कौन फंक्शन की नहीं है? व्हिच इज नॉट अ फंक्शन की. ऑप्शंस, अब देखिए क्वेश्चन है व्हिच इज नॉट अ फंक्शन की. सो हियर आल्सो आंसर विल बी बेस्ड ऑन द ऑप्शन. आंसर इज बेस्ड ऑन द ऑप्शन, राइट, ऑप्शन पे ही बेस्ड होता है, ठीक है ना आंसर. सपोज द ऑप्शन इज डॉलर, फर्स्ट वन इज डॉलर, सेकंड वन इज एट द रेट, फर्स्ट वन इज डॉलर, सेकंड वन इज एट द रेट, थर्ड वन इज परसेंटेज सिंबल. सो एंड डी इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, विच इज नॉट अ फंक्शन की. Which is not a function key.
I really have question.
Yes, everyone, this is the question. Which is not a function key. Function key कौन सा नहीं है? Answer is which is not a function key. Everyone answer.
Sir B. Sir B.
See here, F1 is a function key. F3 is also a function key. F9 is also a function key. So at the rate is not a function key. At the rate is not a function key.
Number B.
So answer is number B. At the rate is the right answer. So based on the question is, you have to select the correct answer. So question is which is not a function key. At the rate is not a function key. So maybe in the options like this will be there. This also will be there. So whatever will be there.
अरे वहाँ पन्नी का जला.
Right. Question is, everyone concentrate for the next question. Question number 6. What is the shape of turtle? What is the shape? What is the shape of turtle? So answer is triangular. Triangular in shape. Turtle is triangular in shape. Turtle is triangular in shape. Turtle is triangular. The shape of the turtle.
Triangle or triangular?
So turtle is triangular in shape. So this question everyone can. Up to here everyone is comfortable or not? Next question everyone. Next question everyone concentrate here. Which key executes the logo command? Which key executes the logo command? This is the question everyone. Answer this question. Which key executes the logo command? Which key executes the logo command? Which key
Enter key.
executes the
Sir,
logo
enter
command?
key.
Enter key.
Answer is enter key.
Enter key.
Enter key. Enter key. Enter key executes the logo command. Enter key executes the logo. Next question. Next question is which key is used or which command is used? Which command is used to exit from logo? Which command is used to exit from logo? Which command is used to exit from logo?
Sir,
So the answer is which command is used to exit from logo? The answer is by. By command is used to exit from logo.
is answer.
By everyone. Try to answer this question, everyone. Next question. Next question is try to answer the next question. Which command require number of steps within them? Which command require number of steps within them? So this question is based on the option पे based है. So I am just wait everyone, I am giving the options also. Option also I am giving. So the options is which command require number of steps with them. So HT, option is HT. First option is HT. Second option is CS. Third option number C is clean command. Option number D.
Sir, clean commands.
Wait, without options you are answering. So A is HT command, B is CS clear the screen, C is clean command, and D is RT command. RT command. Question क्या है? Try to understand the question. Which command require number of steps? Which command require number of steps? This is the question with them. Which command require number of steps? With them?
Sir, RT.
RT का why HT command means how? Yes, RT is the right answer. RT is the right answer. Now try to understand HT command is used without any number of steps, means no any extra parameter is required. In the HT command हमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा जरूरत नहीं पड़ता लिखने के लिए. CS command clear the screen also there is no use of, we are not going to write any extra thing. Clean command also we are not going to write anything other than clean command, but in RT command we are specifying like RT 100. So this is what number of steps. ये क्या हमारा number of steps है? Number of steps. RT suppose 200. So this is what number of steps. RT 500. So this is number of steps. So according to the question, according to the option for the question, the answer is RT command. Now if the option is changed like this, LT will be there. In that case, the option will be LT command. समझ में आ रहा है? Anyone have any doubt?
Yes, sir, आ रहा है समझ में.
So HT command को कोई इनपुट का जरूरत नहीं है. नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स इनपुट. So input is not required for HT command. Input is not required for CS command. Input is not required for clean command. Input is required for LT command. If the option is RT, then RT will be the answer. If the option is LT, LT is the option. If the option is FD, FD command also required what? Number of steps. RT command also what? Number of steps. So either here the option will be FD or RT or LT or BK. BK command also. समझ में आ रहा है everyone? Yes. Everyone tell me. So answer Here, if the option is BK, then the option is BK. Answer is BK command. BK command. Concentrate here. The next question is. Screen is visible. Everyone, screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir. Visible.
This question, everyone try to answer this question. Which is the home position of turtle? What is the home position of? Which is the home position of turtle?
Okay.
What is the home position of turtle? What is the home position of turtle? Home position of turtle.
Sir.
Yes. What is the home position of turtle? Options will be, if the question is given along with the options, so see here, everyone. Options also. Center of a screen. Center of screen.
So many houses are being produced.
Right of screen. Left of the screen. Left of screen. And
Center of screen.
bottom of screen.
Center of screen.
Center of screen.
Center of screen.
Center of
Of screen. The center of screen.
Center of a screen is the home position of the turtle. Home position of turtle is center of a screen. So this is the right answer. This is the right answer. Next question. Everyone try to answer this question. What is the file extension of logo files? Logo file.
Sir, .lgo.
Answer is
Sir,
.lgo.
.lgo.
Right. Answer is .lgo. .lgo is the right answer. Bye everyone. Yes, bye everyone. Class is over. In the next class, we will revise the remaining things.